Hi friends, welcome back to the class. Today I am going to explain the topic modes of transmission of disease. Modes of transmission of disease from the chapter Health and Hygiene. In my previous class, I am already explained about some of the disease, means the types of disease, communicable disease and non-communicable disease. So, communicable disease are spread through different ways. Today we are going to discuss about this topic, modes of transmission of disease, how to transmit the disease and which ways they are recorded to transmitting, one place to one other place and person to other person. So today we want to learn some of the main points for how to transmit the disease. The first one, airborne disease. Airborne disease. What is meant by airborne disease? So this disease only transmitted through the air only. Through the air. For example, one person is infected person is coughing or is also producing sneezing. As a result, what happened? That virus or bacteria is also passed to the near the environment. So those who are standing beside in our side, what happened? This disease passed to another person, to the healthy person. As a result, that person also got disease. So this type of disease called airborne disease. This disease spread only through the air. So let's see which type of disease like this through the air. Okay. First one, whooping cough. Whooping cough. So it is a bacterial disease. Bacterial disease. Through the cough, what happened? That bacteria is also sent outside. Throwing means moving outside. As a result, that is going to spread the environment. As a result, the other person is also intake this bacteria. As a result, that person also affecting this disease. Okay. The next one, common cold is also one of the viral disease. Common cold caused by virus. And next one, bronchitis. Okay. So it is only caused due to the smoke and the ashes, due to the ash emission of smoke and the fly ash. Okay. And next one, silicosis. It is only that possible in the form of stone dust, causing by stone dust. And next one, allergy means it is one type of the pollution. It is also it is one type of air pollution caused by air pollution. So some of the sulfur dioxide and the nitrogen dioxide and the carbon monoxide, these are the pollutants causing allergy disease. So these are the main airborne diseases. Okay. And next one, waterborne disease. So the waterborne disease means that disease only caused due to the sewage and industrial waste. So this waste is mixed, introduced into the water body. As a result, that water some of the people is consuming. As a result, affecting and starting this type of disease. So this type of disease called waterborne disease. This disease spread through only the water medium. How to water medium? Some of the waste is also sewage waste and industrial waste is also dumped into the water, as a result causing the disease. So let's see which type of disease caused due to the water, through the water. Okay. First one, typhoid. This contaminated water for drinking or consuming of contaminated water after affecting this disease, typhoid, cholera, jaundice, diarrhea and the polio. This type of disease caused through polluted water or contaminated water. Okay. Which type of disease caused through the water? Typhoid, cholera, jaundice, diarrhea and polio. Okay. And next one, foodborne disease. So this disease formed in the consumption of unhygienic food. For example, in the case of some of the roadside vendors supplying some of the attractive food items, colored ice cream, colored ice, and some different chocolates, and some of the canned food. This type of items supplied outside the school gate or some other places. What happened? That people attract that type of food items, and these roadside vendors also introducing some of the fast colors and flavors for easy to attract. Some people is going to buy these things and take. As a result, that person is also affecting some of the internal or intestinal disorders. Some of the disease caused due to consumption of this type of food items. As a result, formed some different diseases. Okay, so here one of the canned food means canned food is also causing one of the famous important disease, a disease called botulism. What's the name? Botulism. It's only possible for via consumption of canned food. Okay. And next one, contact bone disease. Contact bone disease. This disease is only possible by the direct contact or close contact of infected person to the healthy person. For example, one person is affected some of the disease, or maybe cold, flu or mumps, any kind of disease. Whatever that person going to contact means touch in other person, other healthy person. As a result, the disease is transmitted to that healthy person also. As a result, what happened? That healthy person also caused the disease. So this type of disease is called direct contact, means contact bone disease, through the contact only. So let's see which type of disease spread through the direct contact. The first one, cold, flu, mumps, measles and pneumonia. This type of disease spread through the direct contact. No need to the direct contact also. Maybe that affected person, that means patient having using some of the things, dress or some of the plates and some other things, objects. This type of disease spread through the object also. Which object? Those objects used by the patient. This is passed through this object also. And next one, vector-borne disease. Vector-borne disease. Fifth one, vector-borne. So some of the disease spread through the disease-carrying organisms through the vectors. So here many type of vectors. For first one, mosquito, flies, and rats, rodents. This type of organisms carry the disease. Some of the disease I am going to introduce to you. The first one, dengue fever. Dengue. So how to affect, which organism carry this disease? AIDS, mosquito. Through the mosquito, dengue fever is also caused to other person. How to cause? For example, one of the diseased person having disease. So this mosquito come to sit and suck the blood, and going to sit other person and bite her. As a result, what happen? The disease carry one person to other healthy person through the vector. What's the name of the vector? That's a AIDS mosquito. Next one, yellow fever. The yellow fever also the same organism. AIDS mosquito is caused by yellow fever. And next one, malaria. It is a very familiar disease, malaria. It's only possible mosquito. Okay, Anopheles mosquito. And plague is also caused by some of the rodents and rats. Through the rodents and rats, what happens? Carry the disease one place to other place. Next one, filariasis. It's only caused by the filarial worms. Some of the worm that's named filarial worm caused the disease. The disease named filariasis. So the communicable disease spread through some different ways. The first one, airborne disease. second one the waterborne disease, and third one foodborne disease, and the fourth one contact-borne disease, fifth one vector-borne disease. Next topic, non-communicable disease. Non-communicable disease means it cannot spread the infected person to healthy person. It is only possible the deficiency of nutritional imbalance. Okay, so let's see which type of disease due to in this non-communicable disease. For the first one, deficiency disease. So that word is also given the idea about the disease. Deficiency, some of the shortage of nutrition. That's why some of the problem, some of the disease can rise it. So see which type of disease are formed due to the deficiency. Okay, the beriberi is also, and next one scurvy, night blindness, and goiter. This type of disease caused due to the deficiency of some of nutritional materials, nutritional things. So here, next one, allergic disease. Next one, allergic disease. So allergic disease means this is one type of non-communicable disease. So example means that the disease, first one asthma, asthma, and bronchitis. These are the second non-communicable disease, that means allergic disease. These are the allergic disease. And next one, degenerative disease. Degenerative disease. Degenerative disease, that's a heart attacks and diabetes, arthritis. These are the degenerative disease. And the fourth one, social disease. Social disease, that means the drug addiction and the alcoholism. So this type of this disease is called social disease. And fifth one, inherited disease. Inherited disease, that's albinism, sickle cell anemia. This type of disease is called inherited disease. And next one, prevention of disease. How to prevent? So we want to be health and hygiene. We want to avoid some situation, some of the agents, some of the food items, and some of the contact other things. So the prevention is better to cure the disease. So that means we want to avoid such contacts or such type of activities. As a result, we are free from this type of disease, and we want to take in sufficient quantity of nutritional rich food items every day. Every day you want to include that vegetables and fruits and milk, this type of food items in your diet. As a result, you will be healthy. As a result, we don't want to face any kind of disease like this. Okay, next one, that is personal hygiene. I hope all of you know, each and everybody is also maintain their own hygiene, personal hygiene. It's a very important factor for the hygienic. Okay, so few points are here given here. Personal hygiene. So every day we want to take the bath and remove the germs and dust from the through the outside the body. As a result, we are free from some of the disease. And next one, washing of hand before and after the meal. Before and after the meal, what happens? We want to wash the hands properly. And next one, brushing of teeth. Brushing of teeth every day, twice, 2 times, morning and before sleep. Okay, for the health, for the protection of our teeth. And next one, care of hair, and cutting of nails. Cutting of nails is one part of the personal hygiene. And next one, care of eyes. Care of eyes is very important for us. It is one part of the personal hygiene. So I hope all of you understood this topic, what I am teaching today, and some of the communicable disease and non-communicable disease, and how to spread it, and how to prevent it, how to be a personal hygiene. So you want to obey this type of instructions and want to learn properly. It will help you in your future also. So I am going to conclude this topic.